मैंने टॉपिक भी यही दिया है आज आपको, आपकी फीलिंग्स देखने के लिए. आई थिंक आई हैव गॉट नेम्स, so very good. So your feelings when you have extra classes and your feelings when you have holidays. So first of all, I'm calling Rohit, and in a limited time, in 1 or 1.5 minutes, you have to complete it. Rohit, come on.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jyoti, and today I'm going to tell you about my feelings when I get an holiday or an extra class. As we all know that our most favorite thing is holiday, and when I get holiday, I personally very like it because on this day I can do many things which I want. Like I can go to park and can play cricket, which I like to do most, and also I can give these hours to my study and improve my academic studies. And when I get an extra when there is an extra class, first I feel disappointed that I should have enjoyed this time, but then through my academic perspective and skill improvement perspective, I see that these classes are very important from me, and as I am taking these classes, so there should be no doubt in my mind that whether I should avoid these or not. So whenever there is extra class, I always feel very happy because it is another opportunity to learn new things and upgrade myself. But I also expect that what will happen if I get holiday today, and how will I enjoy it. That's it, sir.
Very good, very good. Harsh, सुनो ध्यान से सारे के सारे. हाँ, yes. हर्ष,
Sir, mic banta.
बोल बोल
Yes,
बोल.
sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Arjun. Today I'm going to tell you how I feel when I get a sudden holiday or any sudden extra class. So as we know that it is the imagine a student or extra holidays for nothing. And most of the students feel like this only, but I always see it from two perspectives. That what will I be doing at that moment when there is no class, and what could extra I have done if the classes were not there. In this way, I make my mind of taking the class or not. And when I get a sudden holiday, it fills my heart with a great pleasure, and I always thanks to the sir from my top of the heart for giving me holiday. And that's it, sir.
Very good. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on this topic. That what feels me when I get a holiday or when I have extra classes. So there are different feelings for these opposite things. Like whenever I get extra classes, I think, "अरे यार, extra classes फिर से."
Oh,
But sometimes I also get happy that these extra classes are for our improvement. That is good. But when I get a sudden holiday that is without any planning, then I get very happy, a lot of happiness, and that I cannot express, because everyone can get this feeling when they can have these type of sudden holidays. So this is so we- as so I get different feelings at these two situations, and mostly I feel happy when I get a sudden holiday than the planned holiday. That's it, sir.
very good. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Maurya, and today's my topic is how I feel whenever I get holiday and how I feel when I have extra classes. So basically, when I have holiday, I have a very pleasure and I have a thought that I would enjoy my whole day and would have many types of activities, which includes many types of games and also playing with my brothers and also with my sisters, and also whenever there are extra classes, sometimes I don't feel good, and sometimes I feel that it is good. But in the perspective of these classes, I feel that it is good because overall that there is my improvement, and also these classes will be seen as a holiday because in because if Rajesh ji sir will take these classes, we will get extra holiday on other days. Therefore, taking these classes don't make me sad, and taking these classes make me very happy, and that is a way that I make myself happy within an hour. That's it, sir.
Shabash beta. Very good. Now Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anu, and today the topic is what I feel when I get an extra holiday or an extra class. So it must be clear to all that we all love holidays, not extra holiday, but all types of holidays we love. Doesn't matter it's extra or it's ordinary. So So, whenever we get extra things, we think that like this is out of the box. But that's not. As yesterday, we were about to, we were scheduled to get extra class, but suddenly the message came that today the class will be off. So we felt like, is there more? Like, is there an hour more than 24 hours? Means is there any extra hour out of 24 hours? But when we get extra holiday, so it doesn't make us feel like there is an extra hour within a day or not. So it is the state of mind when we get these types of things. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. So now I think this is the turn of Kajal.
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm Kajal. My today my topic is what I feel when sir give us holidays and take extra classes. So first of all, holidays are favorite all person for all person
Shabash.
and especially for kids and when suppose that like yesterday's class sir decided to give extra class to take extra class but suddenly message came that today's class will be off so there
देखो बोलते बोलते भी कैसी खुश हो गई है तो हाँ.
Uh, I can explain that. I can't explain that. I feel so much happiness, and but if our holidays are already decided, and if we know that sir will give us these days, this day holidays. It is not. Uh, like this that it not be it 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 is not like sudden holidays uh, I want to say that sudden holidays are feel give us so much happiness but if there is if our holidays are decided it is not like that but and and now I'm telling about extra classes when sir tell us about extra classes I feel no sir this is not fair I feel very low but when I when uh, I'm taking the class I feel that this is good and this is not a loss for me I feel very good. But before taking classes, I feel I don't want to take a class. But after taking class, I feel very good. And in the last, I want to say that holidays are also my favorite. And if there is a sudden holidays, that's it. Sir.
तो फिर तो ऐसा करते हैं छुट्टी कैंसिल कर देते हैं. फिर तो छुट्टी कैंसिल कर देते हैं तुम्हारी, रोजाना नोटिस डाल दिया करेंगे, अगर पॉसिबल होगा तो क्लास ले लेंगे, नहीं तो फिर रोजाना नोटिस डाल देंगे। भाई हो सकता है कि मैं मतलब आई मे टेक क्लास फ्रॉम हॉस्पिटल आल्सो, बट मेरा यहाँ पर क्या है कि कभी नहीं ले पाऊं, तो मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि आपको अगर पहले से पता होगा तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन मेक योर फर्दर प्रोग्राम।
सर आप ये तो पहले से ही बोल दो, अगर मैसेज आएगा कि आज क्लास है तो फिर तो सारे सपने टूट जाएंगे।
सपने टूट जाएंगे इनके। और सपोज करो आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड द हॉलीडेज फॉर 4 days and in these 4 days I give a message that today class will be held, then
नो सर।
हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा कईयों को तो है।
सर ऐसा मत करो
ऐसा
सर।
मत करो सर, मतलब एक तरफ की बात करते हो। अचानक छुट्टी हो जाए तो बड़ी खुशी मिलती है, और अचानक क्लास हो जाए छुट्टी की डिक्लेयर करके तो फिर ऐसा मत करो आप। वेरी गुड, शाबाश, वेरी गुड, सो नाइस, बहुत अच्छी बात है आप लोगों की, वेरी गुड। लक्ष्मी आओ जरा, तुमको भी देखें जरा।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today my topic is that how I feel when I have holiday, or how I feel when I have extra classes. Sometimes I feel happy when I have extra class, because I think that that time I learn many new things, and sometime extra class bore me, and sometime I feel sad that this that there will be no class, and whenever sir send us a message that there will be no classes, I feel very much happy, and sometimes I feel bored, and I think that both are very important for us, because extra classes also give us a lot of knowledge, and sometimes the student feel unhappy because of because of holiday, and some student feel that today will be no extra classes, and they think that they will play a lot of time, and they will give time to their family, and I like with I like 1 hour when I take this class, and this class is very important for me. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। इसके बाद कौन है भैया, ये नाम गौरव।
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, I am Gaurav here, and my today's topic is how I feel when there is extra classes on Sunday and when are extra holidays. So first, uh, extra classes. How I feel for extra classes. So, just imagine that you are living in a peaceful Sunday, and suddenly at 5 o'clock, a link comes on. A blue colored message comes on your classes group, and you see that today is Sunday and sir has sent us link of class. How will you feel? It's a feeling deep inside the heart.
Oh,
How? But the classes are amazing, but also painful, because we are living in peaceful Sunday, and usually
painful। बोल।
usually we have holidays from everything on that day, but sometimes sir thinks that let's ruin this holiday.
ओके, यस, बोल लो बेटा, बोल लो, ये
And
बताना पड़ता है तुम्हारे को
then
भड़ास निकालने का, निकालो भड़ास।
now how I feel for extra holidays. So uh, you are living in restless and painful Monday, and suddenly sir sir sends a sir sends a message saying today's class will be off. What will be your reaction? You can understand. The satisfaction that we feel inside our heart is priceless and not describe and undescribable.
हाँ बोल 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 बोल.
And, and also on that time in that time we play, I play games or just waste that time and don't do anything important. So, uh, but I protest that. But sorry. But sir, no, balances out the uh, uh, extra classes and the holidays. Like if there were classes on 4 Sundays, so there will be 4 extra holidays on busy days. So I think that yes, sometime if there is emergency and you know that there will be some holidays, so we should cover
शाबाश.
something
Very
that
good.
we will lose in those holidays. That's it. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. ये फीलिंग ही तो डेवलप होनी है ना अपने अंदर इस चीज को लेकर के, कि अगर हमें कभी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हॉलीडेज करना पड़े तो हम उस काम को कैसे कवर करेंगे. आगे फ्यूचर में भी आपके सामने यू विल फेस सच सिचुएशंस व्हेन यू विल हैव हॉलीडेज बट यू विल हैव टू डू योर वर्क एज वेल. कौन करेगा उस काम को? आप ही करोगे. तो ये एक फीलिंग हमारे अंदर होनी चाहिए. वर्क इज वर्शिप. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो नाउ आई थिंक दैट. अच्छा एक बात और बताओ, ऐसे ही पूछ रहा हूं मैं. अभी तो मैंने मुंह से बोल दिया तुम्हारे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा, है ना. अब मैं यही मैसेज आपको बता तो दिया ही मैंने, और यही मैसेज अगर मैं आपको टेक्स्ट कर दूं ग्रुप में कि भाई देखो इतने टाइम से लेके इतने दिन तक की छुट्टी रहेगी, क्या वो आपको एक्स्ट्रा हैप्पीनेस मिलेगा उससे?
हाँ सर।
थोड़ा सा तो मिलेगा आपको. एक बात तो बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. पढ़ोगे जब आप, हाँ यार, जो चीज आपको अच्छी लगती है उसको बार बार सुनने का और देखने का मन करता है ना आपको. दिस इज द ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी. तो यस, कम ऑन खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about holiday. As you know that holiday is holiday, but surprise holiday is wonderful thing for all student. It makes us happy. But extra classes, sometimes extra class is necessary because there are many benefits of it, like clear all doubts, and it give us a better opportunity to revisit the topics and increasing our confidence. But sometimes
Confidence.
extra class confidence. But sometimes it is. But sometimes I don't like it. Studying too much can increase stress, which is harmful for health. And
हाँ, क्या लॉजिक दिया है देखो आप इसको, हैं कहाँ से निकाल के लाइए लॉजिक देखो आप. स्ट्रेस इज हार्मफुल फॉर हेल्थ एंड स्टडी गिव्स स्ट्रेस. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. बोल बेटा, ये तो बोलो ऐसे बस, कोई बात नहीं.
because most of the student wait for Sunday.
तो पीछे पड़ गए सारे के सारे संडे के. हाँ.
So holiday is a very nice thing. That's it, sir.
संडे के बेचारे संडे के पीछे पड़ गए हैं. संडे भी सोच रहा होगा यार कहाँ से आ गया मैं. अभी तो और आएंगे बेटा संडे भी, तो रुक जाओ तुम. संडे तुम्हारा पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगा अभी. यस वैष्णवी, आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, our topic is when you get sudden holiday or a extra class. I'm telling about when I got the unexpected holiday I feel very comfort and I feel very happy that that is a very good day, and on this day I spend time with my family, and sometimes I do, and sometimes I do reading books, and sometimes I go to visit some tourist places with my family, and when I when there is extra class, I couldn't join the extra class in the previous month because of my board examination,
Yes,
and I
शाबाश
was preparing my
बेटा.
board examinations, and I couldn't join, and whenever sir upload the videos of extra class, then I listen, and that holidays are very important for every student, and holidays are very favorite thing. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. आ जाओ विपिन.
Yes, sir.
क्या
Hello
कर रहे
everyone.
हो?
Today my
बोलो बोलो.
Hello everyone. Today my topic name is what we feel in extra holidays on what we feel in extra classes on Sunday and in holidays. We, I feel in holidays very happy, and because we do anything in holidays, and we go to like gaming and reading uh, other things. And in extra classes, I feel happy, happy happy and bad both. And, but sometimes I feel happy because we get new things in extra classes. And in extra holidays, I feel very much. I feel happy very much
In extra classes,
in extra holidays.
holidays, okay.
That's it, sir.
तो बोलने की कोशिश क्या कर बेटा, घबराया मत करे ना. हाँ, चलो कोई बात नहीं. आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is how can we feel when we get extra classes and extra holidays. So first, I say about extra classes. Extra classes is is very helpful for us. We can learn we learn so many things, and 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 we can solve our problems, and in holidays we only watch our TV, etc. uh, and sometimes, and I like so much extra classes sometimes, but like, and when sir messaged us that today's class will be off, so I feel very happy, and I play with my friends, and when I see that sir take classes in Sundays, I feel very sad, but uh, but it is useful for me. Uh, but I don't like so much holidays because because I want to learn so many things with my sir and the friends. So yes, so that's it.
Okay, ठीक है. Good going. Keep it up. Anjali.
Yes, sir. So hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena and my today's topic is sudden holidays and sudden classes. So, so when we start from classes. So you are enjoying you are scrolling your phone and watching your phone, and this message came that your message came at 4:30. Today is your class at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. And so what we feel inside that, yeah, why the class message came on sudden holidays. Said at 5:30 you got a message that today's class is off. Today's class is off. So what we enjoy at and the normal Sunday enjoying is we get happiness when we got a sudden holiday. I got more happiness because on day we have to not study 2 hours study 2 hours study classes in classes. I got that why the message came, why the classes today, why so many questions. So many questions. But and we feel broken from our heart.
बताओ यार, गजब कर दिया. बताओ यार, इनका दिल टूट जाता है इनका तो.
Why the message came? And जबरदस्ती को क्या बोलते हैं?
Compelled. We are compelled.
We are compelled to take the classes. And on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we got a message that today's class is off. And what the feeling come inside from the heart that wow. That is
हाँ, इनकी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहता है. हाँ, और बोलो. हाँ, हो गया. वेरी गुड. ये पता ना कोई चीज कितनी खुशी कभी गम है. कभी खुशी कभी गम. वेरी गुड. हाँ, ये एक और मैडम बाकी है. अभी तो अन्नू मैडम आइए. आप आइए जरा, सुने हुए जरा ध्यान से इनके व्यूज को. यस, कम ऑन. शाबाश.
So hello everyone. Now I am telling about extra holidays.
अच्छा.
As you know, when sir gave us holidays before planning, I am very excited and I am very lucky that sir give extra holidays when I am out of city and I am in out of Jaipur or anything else. I like it very much because I enjoy there very much. As you know, sometimes sir send us link of extra classes and I don't take it because I like extra holidays but I don't like the word extra classes.
सुन लो भैया अच्छे से इनको. हाँ, यस, कम ऑन.
That's why हाँ सर एक चीज मैं एक लाइन हिंदी में बोलूं
बोल दे।
सर ऐसे कहते हैं ना पहले शुभ काम करना चाहिए सो दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड विथ एक्स्ट्रा हॉलीडेज
हाँ मुझे समझ रहा था
नॉट
मैं भाई।
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास
यस 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 शुभ काम है। एक्स्ट्रा क्लास इनको लगा दो तो वो अशुभ काम हो गया इनके लिए। आगे बोल। शुभ या
I
शुभ।
also I also don't like school as you know when I open my book on my bed I really start sleeping.
Hmm.
I don't like it.
What
But
do you like? What do you like?
I like to play outside or play Ludo with my cousins.
But not study. Not at all.
Sir, I like, but I don't like study. My first, at first, it is playing and going outside.
Okay.
When supposedly think that my mother said that do not go to school when final exams finish. My mother knows that she don't want to give me holidays. She's very clever that she has said you have to go school in fifth class. She has said I don't send you school after final exams or in fourth class. But I am not like this that I said मानने को क्या बोलते हैं?
मानना क्या है? I do not take the advice of my mother. I do
I
not
do
follow the
not listen
instructions
my
of my.
mother that time. But if my father come that time and he said this, so I have to do it with a separate line. When my mother said I have come, and then my father said I am straight. बिल्कुल straight.
Okay.
But my mother is also strict when my mother has when my mother is angry from me she started arguing me anytime and she started that I forgot it. As you know that my mother angry and said to me that you have to earn and then you have to eat if you don't go to school. Then my mother is like do you know my mother is like पार्वती माता बहन when जब वो प्यार करती है जब उतना ही करती है लेकिन जब गुस्सा करती है जब जो हाथ में आया सर जब उससे ही मारती है.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है? यस.
नहीं सर.
बोल बोल आगे बोल.
My father never angry on me. He talk with me very sweetly. With my brother, you can think. But my mother talk me sweetly many times, but sometimes she get angry. That's it. So I like extra holidays very much. So that's it. Do not ask me for extra classes.
ओके तुम्हारा कोई दूसरा इलाज करना पड़ेगा फिर. ओके ठीक है मैं समझ में आया. किसी को पसंद नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा क्लास. चलो कोई बात नहीं हम इलाज करेंगे इसका भी कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकालेंगे. ओके सिमरन.
Yes, sir. Hey, everyone. Today I'm telling about extra classes and when I have any extra classes and when I get sudden classes. When what I do when
What do you do? नहीं, what do you feel? What do you do? नहीं, what do you feel? Yes.
what okay sir, what I feel, and when I heard today's class will be off, uh, and when I feel wow, just like a little lottery, and some student feel like they feel they got a they got a chocolate that's and they start jumping and dancing and for a moment, but when I get a sudden holiday, when I feel very enjoy and very much happy, and when I feel like that, uh, um, when uh, it's necessary for us sometime, because it's a dose for some students
डोज
and
कहाँ कहाँ से लाते हो? कहाँ से आते हैं ऐसे लोग? कहाँ कहाँ से लाते हैं ऐसी चीजें? बोलो। डोज
when I heard today I have extra class, when I feel very loose, but I think it is good for us when I should take this is because if I take extra classes, when I learn more and more things, and that's it.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। डोज मतलब एक बात है, तुम बोलने में तो तुम लोग गजब हो। खुल के तुमको छोड़ दिया जाए ना कि बोलो, तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हो। वेरी गुड, आई एम हैप्पी। कैमरा चालू करके एक बार अपने मुखमंडल के दर्शन करवा दें। और आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न्स, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।